going on, guys? Yeah, I was working on this tonight. Found my dad died, so I gotta get back to my life, and I gotta get back to my purpose. So I don't know what that is yet. The purpose. Ouch! Just smashed my knee. That's not feel good. So I'll be finding out, trying to figure out everything now again. You know, my thoughts, my ideas, what I wanted to do with my life, all of that. And one thing that I am happy about is my dad was supportive in the whole my YouTube ideas and wanting to do videos. He was excited about my restoration channel. Actually, he came over one day, saw one of the pieces that I had, and was excited to see it restored, and he talked about how that was a great idea and he thought I'd do well with it. So for sure, that is one thing that I'm going to be doing. Restoring these old tools. And this blade needs to get cut, or this cutting blade needs to be sharpened. It'd be nice to be able to send it to a company that does sharpening. I don't know, like a company that would put it on a machine to sharpen it. That way it's nice, even, uniform. I don't think I'll be able to afford that though. And I wonder if I could do it on a mill, because that's about the length of a mill. I mean, the milling table is actually longer than this. But there's the blade. I think I did it wrong. So, okay, it sits in like that. Okay. Almost forgot how I took it out. So, you can see that cutting edge is pretty rusted, dull, most likely. This side here's, and with like scissors or anything, that's your cutting edge, and you don't want to touch this edge at all. So I can clean it up, but this is the edge. This is the edge that's important. And I don't have a vise. I've got with me at this garage, I've got the one over here that I was restoring. But I took my vices down to storage and didn't think about keeping one of them. I was just moving, just grabbing stuff, throwing it in the truck, trying to get this place cleaned up. So let's see what I can do, how I can get this one. Let's move you guys over here. So let's get this, I might be able to clamp it down here and clean that. And then I'll have to clean this edge over here as well, or this table. Get all that cleaned up. Maybe use my flat, oh yeah, I got my flat stone. Ha! I don't know what I was thinking on that, because I had that idea the first time. So take this and just run it over that edge. So, and then I can also run it over this as well. But this needs to be soaked in water. So let me go do that, and there'll be another part to this, most likely part 3. So stick around.